Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Lensmartonline glasses. I was gifted 5 pair of glasses to try out. At the time of filming and editing this video, I've been trying out the glasses for 1 month. The first part of this video is the unboxing and try on, and the second part of the video will be me giving you my final thoughts and review after using it for a month. So here I am unboxing, and you can see the 5 pairs of glasses I have. Each comes in a cardboard black box, and just unboxing it, what you get when you open the box is a glasses case. It looks like a little faux leather drawstring purse. I absolutely love it. It's very different to the traditional open and shut plastic glasses cases that you get, and it also comes with this glasses sleeve that you can put into the actual glasses case. I like using this as well and just taking it into my bag sometimes when I forget to take my glasses case with me. So I'll just have that, and you can also use that glasses sleeve as a cloth to clean your glasses if you forget to take your glasses cloth with you. And then here is a cleaning glasses cloth. Everything is black, and I really like the packaging of the glasses case. It's very aesthetic, very appealing, and really nice. Okay, so this is what the purse looks like, and I'm going to be taking out the first pair of glasses and trying them on. This is in the style Eternity 3058. I grabbed it in the color transparent, and it costs $48 USD. So here are what the glasses look like on and under all of my ring lights. It is very annoying, I know. I will also be putting on a pair of glasses in the normal light towards the end of the video when I do my review. Yeah, that ring light is annoying me. But anyways, this is what Eternity 3058 looks like. In person, it's definitely transparent. For some reason on the website, it looks like it's a little bit white. But yeah, it's completely clear in person. I really like it. I really like the circle kind of cat eye style shape. This is one of my favorite pairs of the glasses. Feels comfortable, and I really like it. The next pair is the Maestro 2087, and I grabbed it in the color gold, and it also retails $48 US. So here is what the Maestro 2087 glasses look like. They look a little bit more silver in person than they do on the website. The website makes it look very rose gold. I do have to say that the lighting of where I'm filming does make it look a little bit silver. If you can see when I'm moving side to side that the shade of the glasses kind of changes the reflection. It is rose gold, more on the rose gold side in person. It's a very similar style to the first pair of glasses, but the actual frame or the lens is a little bit smaller. The next pair I have is Maestro 1144. These are the Aviator style, and I grabbed them in the color gold black, and they also retail for $48 US. So here are what the Maestro Aviator glasses look like on me. The Aviator section, or I don't know, I'm going to call it the monobrow of the glasses, I don't know what the proper term is a blue-black color, and similar to the other pair of gold glasses, the gold frame actually comes off a little bit more silver or grey in person. Again, mind you, it is also because of the lighting. I don't think the style particularly suits me. This is the first time I'm trying Aviator glasses, but nonetheless that's what they look like. The next pair of glasses I grabbed were the Eternity 1125 glasses, and I grabbed them in the color black, and they also retail for $48 US. So here are what the glasses look like. Again, it seems to me that the gold leans more towards a silver in person, more of a silver gold than it is of a true yellow gold. I do really like them still. I haven't worn rectangle style glasses in so long, but I do quite like the look of it, something different, a little bit more librarian vibes, but I like them. The fifth and final pair of glasses are the Eternity 5125 tortoiseshell glasses. They are a little bit more expensive at $60 US, and this is what they look like on. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this pair has actually been my favorite out of all of the glasses. This is the pair that I've worn pretty much the most, almost every day I would say, since I've got them. I really enjoy the shape and the color, that circle cat eye sort of style. I really like the tortoiseshell color, and I don't know, it's been my favorite. Feels lightweight, and the glasses aren't thicker than the actual frame. So for the high degree that I have, which is, I'll leave it in the description, but it's in the high -5s. So the glasses lenses are actually quite thin considering the level of degree that I have. Normally at prescription optometrists or Specsavers because in my experience you have to pay a little bit more to get the option to thin out your glasses for the higher degree that you have. For this website, it actually wasn't an option. If you read the product details or description, it doesn't include it, but in my experience, the thickness of the glasses were thinned out and didn't go over the length of the actual frame. If that makes sense. If you wear glasses, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Now that we're finished with the unboxing, I'm going to share my overall thoughts, experience and usage of the glasses now that I've been using them for a month. Hey everyone, so the date today is, I'm going to just show you, 10th of January 2021. It has been exactly a month since I've been using the Lensmartonline glasses. I'm using the tortoiseshell Eternity glasses and I'm wearing them not properly because I've got fake eyelashes on, and apparently either my nose bridge is too flat, which seems the case, or these eyelashes are a little bit too long for the glasses, so I'm gonna have to wear them like this. So after a month's use, just gonna have to let some cars go by since I'm on my balcony with all my cute plants. So after a month's use, I haven't had any headaches from wearing the glasses. Sometimes you do get headaches from wearing new glasses, but I haven't had a problem. I haven't had a problem with these ones. I've worn these glasses pretty much every day since I got them, and I've exercised with them. I've done CrossFit with them. I've done stretch classes, and they hold up just fine. I do notice that since I have been using them a lot for exercise, the screws on the sides do loosen a little bit, but that is an easy fix which you can tighten with a screw, so it's got the two ends on the side. Other than that, I'm really impressed with these glasses. I'm really glad that I got them. I really love the style, the shape. Really appreciate the glasses case. Can we talk about that? It doesn't look like a glasses case, it's leather, and that glasses sleeve detail is just something that's so just useful if you have glasses and you know what I'm talking about, like especially if you've got small handbags or purses, you need a little glasses cloth and you want something to protect your glasses as well. That is really, really helpful. In terms of the customer service of the website, they do have a 14-day refund and no questions asked policy, and a 1-year one-time replacement if you ever do break your glasses. Obviously not with accidental damage or things like that, but if they are faulty, then they do replace them. In terms of their shipping, they have free shipping for US orders using USPS and worldwide shipping starting from $12 using DHL. Currently, at the time that I'm filming this video, at 10th January 2021, they do have free shipping globally to celebrate the new. I'll post in the description bar when that ends. If you also use my discount code Sharon20, you'll get 20% off your order, and just to let you know, it's not an affiliate link, so I won't be making any commission off that. And again, I would just be wary and careful of when you're wearing your glasses of exercising in them or just moving them around as you do with normal glasses. Make sure that you don't just chuck them everywhere. You don't want to loosen them. But yeah, after a month, I'm very happy with the glasses and I would definitely recommend them. They have so many styles, different colors, and yeah, really happy with them so far. So thank you for watching my video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!